Hi, I'm Eric with Wicked Hunting Lights. We're excited to announce the release of our new W403IC Predator and Hog Night Hunting Light. There are so many different styles and techniques that our customers use for hunting. Some guys are sitting over feeders and bait piles at a set distance. Other guys are going to be scanning medium to long range distances while they're calling. Our customers wanted a light that would allow them to adjust the light to any intensity level they desired. We listened to this feedback from our customers and have designed the perfect light for all situations. The new W403IC tail cap allows the hunter to adjust the light from 0 power all the way to 100 power and every level in between. It also doubles as an on-off switch, which allows you to power the light on directly to any desired intensity level. This allows a hunter sitting over a feeder or bait pile to turn the light directly on to any intensity level without the light being too bright or too dim. It also allows a hunter who is using the light for scanning to start on low power and gradually increase the light as needed, or to turn the light down if they feel the animal is starting to shy away. The W403IC is based on our proven and durable W402ZF model. The W403IC is a perfect fit for any type of hunter. You can find the new W403IC at authorized Wicked Hunting Lights dealers.